Sophia! Come on!
I'm putting the laser on your
Okay, let's see here.
Thank you.
But first things first, coffee. Brr. High. Let's do 74. It is cold in here. Check this out. That's about 2-3 days worth of trash. Welcome to my channel. This channel is called Vaimu. That's part of my last name. My last name is Weiermüller, 13 letters. Nobody can pronounce it, nobody can write it, nobody can remember it here in this great country. So I shortened it to Vaimu. That's also my nickname in Germany, Vaimu. And nobody seems to be pronouncing that correctly either, or having a really hard time. It's pronounced Vaimu, and people call it Wimi, Waimi, Wamiui. But that's okay, you know, I'm just doing me, that's me, I'm Vaimu, the channel is called Vaimu, so hopefully it will make sense. So on today's agenda we are doing some wine boxes, right over here. These wine boxes are actually late, I apologize. Dan and Megan, sorry. The wine boxes. This is a new segment I like to introduce to you today. It is called Project Spotlight, where I'm going to showcase some of my work. We're trying to keep this content here on the channel very interesting, and it is hard when you make sign after sign after sign. Each sign says run, whatever, and it's hard to find new ideas every day. So I thought it would be a neat thing to do, not so much to, you know, pitch you a sale and say, hey, buy this sign. No, just to showcase the different possibilities, different designs that customers come up. If you are a customer and you happen to see your product here, I thought it's always kind of neat when you see behind the scenes stuff. I'm always very interested in behind the scenes, so here we go. First sign is a 23 by 7. The next couple signs are all 23 by 7 run sign with 10 packs. So just a simple word, run, 10 packs. You can put your medals on there. Okay, we need to figure out a way to make this work. Next sign here is we call it a garage sign, customer's name. We've got a Dodge truck on there and an established. Then we have, this is a Marine Corps sign. We have the rank, the name, and Semper Fi, I think you pronounce that. That's kind of like their motto, I guess. I don't know. I'm not military. Next one here we have Cortex Bar. Good beer and good times with an established date in the middle, 23/7 Cortex Bar. This one is a Tiki Bar sign. So we have the customer's name and Tiki Bar. The customer requested 2 palm trees on each side, this symbol, whatever you call that, tree, and also this is a 23/11. This is the first time I did a Tiki Bar sign on 23/7. I said Tiki Bar, okay? And then we have the wine boxes. This one has Tree of Life and the wedding date. You saw me assembling these just a minute ago. Holds 1 wine bottle, 750 ml. And this one is for Dan and Megan. Same size, same everything, same hardware, holds 750 ml wine bottle in the middle. And that concludes the first ever Project Spotlight. Peace! Are you ready, Philip?
It was over there. I'm ready.
Sophia! Come on!
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what you feel, thanks to sit and screaming, we're not coming home tonight.
Come on.
We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
What are you doing, Sophia?
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now.
Anything in there? Come on, sit down. You want to sit here? Want to sit here?
But where's
He's going to wash his hands.
Cause we got